Oh, sorry.
Alright, good afternoon, ladies.
Hi.
So how's it going? What's going on?
Good, very good. We're excited.
Yeah, what are you guys about to do?
We are going skydiving.
Oh boy, and whose bright idea was that?
Actually, I wanted to do, and then she decided, and then we're here.
Alright, well I'm glad you guys are here. It's an absolutely beautiful day. You guys ready to have some serious fun?
Yeah. Yes.
Alright, anything you want to say to friends and family watching this at home?
Hope I see you soon.
Oh, you will, don't worry. Alright, have fun up there, ladies.
Thank you.
Alright, Elisa, here we are almost 5,000 feet above the ground.
Wow.
How you feeling?
Good.
Get nervous at all?
I'm pretty relaxed now, but who knows?
A couple more minutes when that door opens up and you're right in front of it.
Oh my
Things
God.
might change, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, have fun out there, lady.
Thank you.
Have fun out there. How do I look? Turn around this way. What was your favorite part besides being strapped to that handsome man? Okay. Sorry, mine just was
Awesome!
Lisa, you just jumped out of a plane. How do you feel?
It was awesome.
Come on up.
Thank you.
So, what was your favorite part other than hanging out with us?
The turning was great.
You think you'd do it again?
Oh God, I should do it again.
All right. You look towards me. Yeah, congratulations, lady.